not an exact science, astrology, but astronomy is an exact science. I once heard the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan say years ago that astronomy is the science of how to set up permanent civilizations. There's been kingdoms that have risen and that have fell in the history of man on this planet. But while great kingdoms have come up and gone down, you've seen the planets steady, making their revolutions around the sun, and they are inhabited planets, and they're in obedience to a force that keeps them in their orbit, and this has been going on for millions and billions of years. But a civilization can't seem to last more than 500, sometimes a little longer than that, before it crumbles. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad said that not living in harmony with the law that's in the universe takes away any permanency in your civilization. Not living by any of those principles. In other words, you can't live contrary to the principles of a creation that was created with truth. If you are living untruthful, you can't survive. And ultimately, your kingdom would have to come down.